If you see here, there are at least 180 messages waiting for me to read. Today is the results day. I just opened metrology group and I thought, how it looks from my point of view. So as soon as I opened, Himanshu, 80 out of 100, very good score here. Congratulations. Asher, 90 out of 100, very good Asher. Congratulations. Nutan Nagaswarup, 74 out of 100. Congratulations here, Nutan. Next would be Kartikeya, 92 out of 100. Really good, Kartikeya. 4 more marks. You would have like 4 more questions. You could have scored 100. You came a bit close. Here, at the end of this video, I'll talk about how to score good or how to easily clear your metrology exam. Gagana, 84 out of 100. Very good. Dwarka, 76 out of 100. Very good. Utkarsh, 88 out of 100. Close to 90. Good. Good enough. Harshini, 82 out of 100. Very good. Nav 84 met 90, Rex 88. This was a message sent to our reception team by Pratmesh Sharma. So he scored these marks and he says grateful to you and sir. So reception team consists of Manshi. Manshi takes care of all the doubts. She conducts regular sessions before exams. Make sure no student goes to exam with a single doubt. Yeah, fine. This is just from the group. And I have to see, if you see all these messages, right? So all many I have to read all this and I have to reply to everybody. Now let's let me kind of discuss how to score good marks in metrology exam. See, it is very simple to score good marks in metrology exam. All you have to do is make sure you understand concepts. Like for example, many students say, sir, this time paper came from IC Joshi. This time evening attempt में questions did not come from IC Joshi. Here, leave this mindset. I'll tell you an easier way to clear your exams. The easiest way would be open your Oxfords. See, if you are not a Doc.Pilot10 student, if you are not my student, open your Oxford. Make sure you read every line of it. It will take approximately 45 days to 2 months, but trust me, it will be worth it. Like for example, when I gave my exam, I never knew there was a book called IC Joshi. I just studied from Oxford and Indian climatology. I studied from UPSC syllabus. My sister was preparing for UPSC. So even then, I could get good scores. My score was 98 out of 100 in metrology. That without practicing a single question. I'm not saying IC Joshi is a bad book. It is a good book to practice questions. Yes, you have to actually practice questions from that book. But if you remember all those questions in IC Joshi and go to exam, most probably you will just pass or you will fail. The whole point is understanding the concept behind it and then solving the questions in IC Joshi is the only way for a good score, that too easily. See, you're not remembering things, you are understanding. Here, a cloud से ऐसे बनता है. Okay, jet streams happen because of this, right? Or the another simple thing would be, I scored 98. What all I understood, I made it easy and put into my lectures. You can join my classes. I'm just joking. It is not an advertisement. It is a simple kind of, the whole point is to read Oxford. Oxford is a Bible. It explains very clearly every concept of metrology. Kindly read Oxford. Kindly read Oxford. I wish you a very good luck.